Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're touring 5526 Mandarin Heights Street located in the master plan community of Pomona, which is located in Manvel, Texas. This is going to be the London floor plan by Highland Homes, and it's the perfect blend of style, space, and functionality. Now, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about moving to and living in Houston and the surrounding areas, then hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm David Janssen. My team and I have been helping people just like you make their move to Houston for over 15 years, and whether you're relocating from across the country or making a local move, we're here to help every step of the way. All of our contact information, including a link to my calendar, is in the description below. Now let's talk about Pomona, one of the most vibrant and thoughtfully designed communities just south of Houston. You've got over 1,000 acres of master plan living with features like a state-of-the-art fitness center, resort-style pools, hike and bike trails, a fishing camp, event lawn, exploration zone for kids, dog parks, and even a treehouse lookout. There's also a full-time lifetime director keeping the calendar packed with community events all year long. Located just off Highway 288, Pomona gives you quick access to the Texas Medical Center, downtown Houston, and Pearland Town Center, while staying within the highly rated Alvin Independent School District, including Pomona Elementary located right inside the neighborhood. Now this is the London plan, offering just over 2,200 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft, and entertainment room. Inside you'll find high ceilings, 8-foot doors, abundant natural light, and an open concept layout that seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The oversized island, quartz counters, and upgraded cabinetry make the kitchen a true showpiece, and the primary suite offers a spa-like retreat. If you'd like to see this home or any others in the Houston area, reach out using any of our contact information down below. Again, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the tour.